Okie doke, back with another break. Got a Classics 0910 for Noah G. Noah, what's going on, buddy? Your dad got this box for you. I understand you start kindergarten at St. Stephen's next week, so I want to wish you a lot of luck on that. I remember kindergarten. It was awfully fun, and it was fun. But we're going to do box number, there it is, box number 80. Looking for some Laker cards. So here we go, Noah. Be cool to pull a Kobe. That would be one of the better Lakers. John Sally, numbered to 9.99. Insert. Dress code Carlos Boozer. Dress code Carlos Boozer. Seeing a theme here. John Stockton, Karl Malone. Mitch Richmond, legend, $9.99. Classic Confrontations, Kevin Garnett and Shaquille O'Neal. Oh, here's your first one. Wayne Ellington. Rookie autograph. And that's $5.75. And Bill Walton. Insert. Dress code Andre Iguodala. Dirk Nowitzki, Sean Marion. Insert. Bill Sharman. Classics insert. Magic Johnson. There's a Laker. $9.99. Oh, here's another autograph. Taylor Griffin. He got his brother. Taylor. That's $9.99. Clyde Drexler. Chris Paul versus Dwayne Wade. Oh, here's another one. Tony Douglas. Getting all autographs. Rookie auto to 933. Did get, I think you might have some Lakers base cards. Carlos Boozer. That one's number 200. I think that's her third dress code of Carlos Boozer. There's Kobe, standard card. Bob Lanier, $9.99. A patch of B.J. Mullins. There we go. Timeless Threads. And that's number 20 of 25. Paul Pierce, Kevin Garnett. And Bob Cousy. Last pack here, Noah. Dress code Chauncey Billups, not Carlos Boozer. Well, there you have it, buddy. 3 autographs, no Lakers. I got some inserts and some base cards, or standard cards, but 3 autographs, and I guess I can do a recap. Grab it. There we go, there we go, and there we go. Got Blake's brother. B.J. Mullins patch, Tony Douglas, Taylor Griffin, and Wayne Ellington. And then all the inserts and etc. There you have it, Noah. I appreciate it, buddy, and good luck at school this next week. I hope you have lots of fun. All right. Yeah.